Your Ring doorbell may be offline due to several reasons, including a low battery, which causes the device to lose connectivity. To resolve this issue, it's essential to check the battery level, as a low battery will prevent the device from staying online. The corresponding app on your phone will notify you when the battery is running low, and replacing it should resolve the issue. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning Wi-Fi connection. If the app indicates that your camera is offline, try connecting a different device to the internet to determine if the problem lies with the Wi-Fi. If the other device connects successfully, the issue is likely with the Ring doorbell. But if it doesn't, you may need to contact your internet service provider. The location of your router can also be a contributing factor, as being too far away from the Wi-Fi router can cause the device to go offline. To address this, try moving the router closer to the Ring doorbell and positioning it in an open space, rather than confining it to a closet or behind furniture. To ensure a stable connection,